Welcome to the End Content Company YouTube channel. Today we are unboxing and reviewing the Yeston RTX 3080 10GB GPU. On this channel, you'll find a variety of content revolving around technology. We believe in transparent reviews. We want to hold companies accountable for the claims they make. This video is not sponsored. This product will be linked down below. Today we will be discussing a graphics card from the company Yeston. Yeston is based in China and specializes in research and development, production, and marketing for computer accessories. The components they specialize in are motherboards, GPUs, and power supplies. Let's begin the unboxing experience for the Yeston Sakura Edition 3080 graphics card. This card was first available April 25, 2022. When you first open the box, Yeston has provided a foam cushion with a cut out of their name. You are also provided Sakura-themed stickers with this GPU. This is a very nice touch. There are 3 display ports and 1 HDMI 2.1 port. This GPU requires 2 8-pin power supply connectors. Also, they recommend a minimum of 800-watt power supply. We chose to go with this graphics card because it is the power we needed and an interesting design, and quite different from the usual industry GPU design. The overall quality of the artwork on the backplate of the card feels premium and is very vivid, giving the GPU a unique design. The GPU has a nice design on the front plate as well, so if you choose to vertically mount this GPU, you will be pleased with the look. To see our review on a vertical GPU mount for a mini case, the link is in the description. There are 3 white fans at the bottom to help cool the GPU. We did not have any overheating issues with this GPU during testing, although there are many claims of this particular GPU running hot. One solution is to undervolt the GPU to avoid it from reaching those temperatures. The LED outline along the GPU is the perfect amount to complement the artwork. Now we will begin the review. We give the design 4.5 stars. The aesthetics of this board are very detailed and high quality. This board is a perfect contender for an all-white build. One design limitation is that the card is a little bulky due to its design. The covering over the fans adds a little depth to the card. We were able to fit this card into the O11 dynamic mini case, so there should not be any issues fitting this card into your build. To see this graphics card in that case, watch our Season 1 build series on the channel, the links are in the description. We give utility 4 stars. This GPU has the performance of a 3080. For most PC users, this will be more than enough to handle any game or GPU demanding tasks. There are plenty of benchmarks available regarding a 3080 GPU performance. This card performs on par with any other 3080 card. We give the value 3.5 stars. With the current prices of the GPU market, this is not going to be the best value for performance, but this type of card is often seen at a deep discount, which would be a good purchase. Utilizing a 3080 with such a unique design is impressive and allows for your build to stand out. Thank you for watching this video. Would you buy this GPU or do you own this GPU? Let us know your experiences down below. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification to stay up to date on our latest videos. Don't forget to let us know what you would like us to review in the future. We can't wait to see you in our next video.